Hey, this is Monjaro and welcome to another drawing session. So, it's Pikachu fan art time using Affinity Designer on iPad. What's basically on my mind when drawing? Well, I browsed the internet for inspiration. Like this Pikachu, I wanted this Pikachu originally to be playing baseball, but then I ended up making him dress up like a casual hip-hop style. To start with, well, we sketch loosely. Think of it as it is necessary to do a loose sketch to form your character. We need a strong foundation, like constructing a building. They don't start making beautiful structures right away. Like an amazing cake, a baker starts out with a mess, mixing flour, creating dough or whatever, before getting to detailing and creating beautiful amazing cakes. Same with drawing. Make a loose messy sketch. Don't be afraid to make a mistake. Sometimes you will find the mistake interesting and will be an amazing add-up to your art. And then refine it. That is always the case. So do a messy sketch until you find the same output as what your head is telling you. And after the sketch, we change the color and make a good clean line art using the pen tool. Don't forget to set the stroke pressure. After this line art and colors, I'll show you my shading process. So I recommend you to stay with me until the end. Also hit the subscribe button if you're new and hit the bell button for updates. Clicking the thumbs up will be much appreciated. After the video, don't hesitate to ask questions by commenting down below, and I'll do my best to answer in any way I can. The next thing I did is to expand all the strokes, converting them all to curves and combining it, and merging it on one layer. Add gradients to your flats to make your colors more interesting. Now with shading, make vector layer above color layer. Set the blend mode to multiply and always make the opacity to 30% or 50%. And there we have it. Hope to see you on the next video.